Kitchen appliances and gadgets vocabulary. Confused about these kitchen items? Let's learn them together. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Kitchen appliances. Refrigerator, refrigerator. Microwave oven, microwave oven. OTG, oven toaster grill, OTG. Electric oven, electric oven. Gas stove, gas stove.
Induction cooktop, induction cooktop. Kitchen chimney, kitchen chimney. Dishwasher, dishwasher. Water purifier, water purifier. Electric kettle, electric kettle. Rice cooker, rice cooker. Air fryer, air fryer. Toaster, toaster. Sandwich maker, sandwich maker. Coffee maker, coffee maker. Bread maker, bread maker. Ice maker, ice maker. Food warmer, food warmer. Buffet food warmer, buffet food warmer. Electric pressure cooker, electric pressure cooker. Slow cooker, slow cooker. Electric grill, electric grill. Deep fryer, deep fryer. Electric tandoor, electric tandoor. Kitchen gadgets. Digital kitchen scale, digital kitchen scale. Mixer grinder, mixer grinder. Blender, blender. Hand blender, hand blender. Food processor, food processor. Electric chopper, electric chopper. Juicer, juicer. Citrus juicer, citrus juicer. Electric whisk, electric whisk. Electric beater, electric beater. Milk frother, milk frother. Popcorn maker, popcorn maker. Egg boiler, egg boiler. Dough kneader, dough kneader. Roti maker, roti maker. Vacuum sealer, vacuum sealer. Coffee grinder, coffee grinder. Electric lunchbox, electric lunchbox. Air purifier, air purifier. Ice crusher, ice crusher. Yogurt maker, yogurt maker. Smart electric cooker, smart electric cooker. Awesome! If you enjoyed this, don't forget to follow English Bites for more.